We are going to review a book called Talent Management Handbook, 3rd edition. It is coming from McGraw Hill's, wonderful book. And we're going to review a chapter called The Big Data, right? And wonderful a classification has been given for 4 terms called Descriptive, Analytical, Predictive, Prescriptive. So descriptive, we all know that any data when you summarize and then give in the form of descriptive, even like how we call it as a statistic descriptive, right? Description, statistic description, all that is the same summary. For example, you have variable and what's the mean value, what is standard deviations, and so on and so forth. That's called descriptive one. Descriptive big data involves a systematic approach to identifying, collecting, organizing, analyzing the high quality business, and it gives insights that helps guide the team. That is, and take an action. This is one. And then analytical is something where this is interesting. Analytical is something you have a large data. From there, you're taking the inferences, and then you're taking an action. That's called analytical. That analytical advance is that predictive. Predictive is that past trend, current trend, you are predicting the future. That's called predictive analysis, right? And it is given very beautifully. Predictive big data is used to make more effective talent management decision through an extensive mining of all relevant data to create paradigm that provides a clear understanding of the relationship between the organization strategies and practices, current and future outcome. This is all about predictive. What is very interesting is that another term called predictive. Predictive is that it is both. You have a predictive and then you have analytics, both combined. For example, again you're taking the same like predictive approach. For example, you're taking the past data, current data, and you're predicting the future. But very diagnosed report, right? How we have the control chart coming up, lane AP chart, for example, how it comes out and gives that very descriptive way, and this is what it is, and this is the current data, this is the future process capability will be like this, and all that, right? Exactly the same thing. Prescriptive also wonderful, because it is given that prescriptive big data is a complex, because it has to deal with the current and the previous data, and sophisticated, and it draws historical valid paradigms, views, and it enables the organization to make highly accurate decision involving a specific action. So that means prescriptive come along with the actionable item, right? Same like predictive, right? And predictive is just give that outliner and point at, okay, this is what we are going to take an action. But prescriptive is that you have the trend, you have the root cause, why it is so, and then you have an action. Even if it is going well, you are going to sustain it. That's what it is. And necessary to achieve the desired short and long term. So there are 4 terms we have learned. One is called descriptive, one is called analytical, another called predictive, one is called prescriptive. Just comment what type of analysis you like the most. Thank you.